In Creo 13, the NC step parameters user interface has been modernized to provide visual clarity and ease of use for daily tasks. The updated user interface helps you work more efficiently with NC step parameters. The modernized user interface includes the following enhancements: parameter lists organized by categories, visual representation of parameters, dedicated input fields for parameter values on the images, interactive images for parameters, search tool, dedicated field for defining relations. This enhancement offers a graphical and intuitive user interface that improves parameter visibility, supports parameter search, and provides the user experience consistent with Creo NC workflows. Thank you.